Hey guys, how are you all? I'm pretty sure it must be so amazing. So आज यहाँ हो रही है बारिश, हो रही है बहुत ज्यादा ठंड. What about you all? एंड yes, यहाँ पर 10 मिनट्स में कैसे फुल चैप्टर रिवाइज करना है, क्या ये पॉसिबल है? राइट डाउन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. सो यस, इट्स पॉसिबल, क्योंकि हम अगर एनसीईआरटी खोलेंगे और देखेंगे फिजियोलॉजी पार्ट, तो दे हैव डिवाइडेड फिजियोलॉजी इन 3 पोर्शन. फर्स्ट उसके स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में बता रखा है. लाइक अगर हम एलिमेंट्री कैनाल के बारे में बात करें तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे हैव discussed about the mouth, they have discussed then esophagus, stomach, intestine. So you just label diagram and write down all the important points with the diagram itself. तो एक पेज में done whole structure. Then come to the part function, right? तो physiology, process of digestion, mechanism part you can do in the flowchart form, जो हम करते हैं. So I always teach like this, right? So you can make the flowchart form, whole mechanism you can just concise in the flowchart form. And third thing that they have given in physiology is disease, that you can that you can write in the tabular form. So एक या 2 पेज में you can just concise whole chapter, but it is only possible when you have very concept clear thing, right? तो सबसे पहले clear your concept very clearly, right? And second, उसके बाद नोट्स बनेंगे 1 या 2 पेजेस के. एंड आई वुड शेयर यू सम टिप्स, आई वुड शेयर यू सम आइडियाज. So you have to join Telegram. So I will just share PDF there, right? So I have given the link below, and you can just join the Instagram also. I have given link below, and see you all. And I'm pretty sure this tip is very useful for you. So while you are making notes, try कि सबसे पहले आप सारी चीजों को concise पढ़ो, crystal clear way में पढ़ो, detail में पढ़ो, and then concise it in 1 or 2 pages. So once you are crystal clear with the thing, I'm pretty sure you would be able to concise it in 1 or 2 pages. So I would just share you some tips also. We would do some videos on that also. And yes, Samiksha and Ankita have asked me to do this respiration, breathing and exchange of gases chapter again. So bacha, it's my request, just go through the chapter, just go through the lectures that I have uploaded. In case you find any doubt there, you can just send me your doubts on the Telegram or Instagram, and I would personally tell you that what you need to add there, right? And I have given all the full thing in those videos. So just go through those videos once and just tell me that what is your doubt there, right? So bacha, all the best, and I'm pretty sure this is going to help you a lot. I would share some tips also. I would just tell you, show you that how to make the short notes. But before that, just do all the chapters full-fledged, clear, crystal clearly, right? So have a great day, and write down your suggestion below in the chat box, and it would be more appreciated. So enjoy the winter. Bye-bye. Have a great day. See you all.